Okay, Assalamualaikum. Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. So, today I'm going to briefly introduce you to the basic principle of systemic functional linguistics, or SFL. So, SFL is a powerful framework developed by Michael Halliday that help us understand how language work in a context, especially in academic settings. SFL stand on the idea that language is not just a set of rules, but a resource for making meaning. This approach differs from traditional grammar in that it looks at the language as a part of social interaction, which is a tool we use to negotiate meaning in real life situations. There are four basic principles at the heart of SFL. First, language is a social semiotic. It means that it's a system of signs shaped by and used within a society. Second, SFL sees language as a meaning making resource, not just a rule bound system. Third, it emphasizes the text, not in the sentence but as the main unit of analysis. Finally, it stressed the importance of social context. In shaping meaning, a text only makes sense when we understand the situation it's used in. So now let's talk about context. And SFL recognizes two levels in context. First, context of situation involve the field on what's happening, tenor, what's involved, and mode, how communication is happening. Second, context of culture refer to the deeper cultural value and shared understanding that shape how we interpret text. This context relate to register and genre, which are central to how we read and write meaningfully in different situations. Next, Isabel introduced us to the idea of metafunction. So there are three core of function language. First, the ideational function. The ideational function help us to express what we know and perceive. Second is the interpersonal function, which help us interact with others, such as expressing attitude, roles, and relationship. Third, and the last one is the textual function, which help organize language, guiding how we present information and keep our message coherent. We also must consider intertextuality, which is the idea that no text stand alone. Every piece of writing draw on other, whether through explicit reference or through the bleeding and the blending of genre. Academic writing in particular thrive in this concept, as scholars build on this on the work of others. Finally, XFL offer a way to understand how ideas flow in a text through thematic progression. This involves how theme, the starting point of a message, are linked to what follow. There are several patterns, such as reiteration, zigzag progression, and multiple themes, that allow writer to maintain coherence and develop ideologically. At higher level, text use macro theme and hyper themes to structure argument and maintain focus across paragraph and even entire essay. So, uh, systematic functional linguistics is more than just a grammar theory. It's a practical, flexible, and powerful tools to understand how we use grammar and language to create meaning in a context. So thank you. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.